If you feel the need to spend some time away from your stressful life and reconnect with Mother Nature, Sarinbuana Ecology is the place to be. We couldn't recommend this place enough. We've been amazed by all the activities that this place offers. They're all related to sustainability, eco-friendly tourism, and this is a real eco-friendly place. Everything here is done in respect to the environment. From the food that they offer, all the ingredients that you find in their kitchen are sourced from their organic garden. There are more than 100 different edible plants around their gardens, and we had the chance to go around in a little tour to know a little bit more about all of them. So anything you will eat here in their restaurant is prepared according to the season, and everything is fresh and picked only 30 minutes before your meal gets prepared. So you can make sure that everything you eat here is super healthy, super delicious, is good for you, and is good for the environment. We also enjoyed a little cooking class with the local chef, and she's been really nice. She explained to us all the ingredients that she was using, and we also went to the garden to pick some together. Every morning here starts with a free yoga session. All the instructors here are volunteers, and this pushed me a little bit to try this yoga thing that I never really tried before. And yeah, I enjoyed it. There are 2 free sessions every day. One is at 7 a.m. and the other one is at 4 p.m. So you can feel free to just walk down to the yoga shala and meet like-minded people and make new friends. Another good thing that I liked about this place is that they only offer Wi-Fi in the main area, in the restaurant area, and this is the best way to help people disconnecting from the outside world and reconnected with nature and also with people here. Sometimes we forget about other people in the world, and this is a nice way to encourage people to talk to each other and to share similar values and just make new friends. All around the place you won't find anything chemical. Even in every room you will see all the soaps and detergents to clean up and everything used for the plants. Everything is natural, everything is organic. There is nothing harmful for the environment, and even the candle lights that they use in the evening at the restaurant are made from recycled cooking oil. So there is not even palm oil used in their kitchen or in any other product that they offer here at Sarinbuana. Everyone here is really friendly. Everyone here is really happy to help you with all your needs. They offer hundreds of different activities with the locals to encourage people knowing the local traditions, and this is something else that I would have loved to try, but unfortunately this time we didn't have enough time to enjoy all of them. So this is a good excuse to maybe come back in the future. I would really recommend this place if you are into ecotourism, sustainability. This is a real eco-friendly place. So if you're planning a potential stay into this place, make sure that you stay here quite a long time, because you will never get enough of this place.